So this is the PartnerView login. So once you get your username and password from Roofers Mart, go ahead and plug those in and hit login. So in the previous video, we talked about orders, invoices, and credit memos, along with the drop down here to be able to toggle through the different branches when you're looking for these specific things within there. This video, we're going to talk about the billing tab. Now, with this account, there's not a lot of invoice activity on here, so we're not going to see a lot going on. But with other accounts, you're going to see bigger dollar amounts in these 1 to 30, in some cases 31 to 60 column, and then hopefully no dollar amounts in any of these other columns, along with a count of how many invoices we're talking about. So in this case, there's only one invoice that's owed. It's for $1.80, and this is the invoice here. If this number were thousands of dollars, you would see all of those invoices through there. If let's say that you weren't trying to pay your bill and you had a bunch of credits on your account and you wanted to click on all those credits and then be able to pay certain invoices with those credits, you could do that by using this Apply Credits tab. It's grayed out for me because I don't have any credits to apply. The only thing I have open is this one invoice. If you are trying to come in and pay multiple invoices, you can click on those multiple invoices on which ones you want to pay, and then go ahead and hit this pay via bank account. You're going to get this tab that pops up here, or this box that pops up here with your banking information that you can select. I think most customers only have one checking account linked to it, but you could link multiple checking accounts, I believe, to PartnerView. So there's the amount, $1.80. If we had multiple invoices checked, we'd see a dollar amount that's different than that. And let's go ahead and hit the pay button. All right, so as soon as we pay that invoice, you see that the balance goes to 0 here. And I'm going to go ahead and log out of here. And I'm going to share a different screen. All right, so, and you can see maybe at the bottom right of my screen that I just received an actual email confirmation from Roofers Mart in my email. I didn't want to go into my email account to kind of show you what that looks like, but this is an example of as soon as you hit that pay button, you're going to get an email confirmation from Roofers Mart saying, hey, this would be a different number, but for this one here, it was $13,000. It's going to show all the invoice numbers that you checked off to the left, and then you could save this away just to have. So that's essentially the billing tab, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to anybody at Roofers Mart, and we'll do our best to answer your questions. Thanks.